In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a production-ready Telegram AI assistant inside n8n. This bot supports both text and voice messages, uses OpenAI for reasoning, includes conversation memory, and responds naturally like a real assistant. If you want the exact workflow file ready to import, you can get it inside the Automation Hub School community, and you'll get access to this build and others. Now, let's get started. Now, we started with the Telegram trigger node. This is the entry point of the workflow. Anytime the user sends a message to the bot, text or voice, this node activates the automation. I want us to create our credentials first. Head to Telegram, search for bot further. Yeah, so open it, then you can start. Go to my bots, so be able to see all your bots down here. So I want us to create a new bot. To create a new bot, come here to open, then create a new bot. Name your bot. I'll name it Automation Hub Bot. Then we have to choose a username, Victor Hub Bot. All right. Then create your bot. Done. So we're supposed to copy the API, this one. So copy it because we need it in our n8n. Then now name your bot to my Telegram bot. Name it to whichever name you want to name it. All right. After that, make sure it shows that the connection is successful. From that, we are good to go. From there, we now move to the typing action. So if you try to run this, so start. So the message will be captured here. So you can see the messages here. Here, start. So it's working perfectly. So next we move to typing action. Whenever the bot runs, whenever it sends a message, that indicator displays up here. Reason for that, it gives you hope that I'm waiting for a response and it's being worked on, and I'm going to receive it when it's done. If you come to this node, the resource section is message, and operation is send chat action. Then we have to drag in our chat ID. Here's the chat ID. So drag in here, and then action is typing. From that, now we move to the next node. So we have this switch node. The work of this switch node is to determine if the message is text or voice. If it's text, it channels it into text route. If it's voice, it sends it into this route where the voice is transcribed. So the work of this switch node is to identify if the message is text or voice. So from there, we now move to the text path. So this node prepares two critical values. First, it assigns the user input into message text. Then second, it generates a second ID using the Telegram chat ID. Then from there, we move to let's test our Telegram bot so that we get some data to use. All right, now let's pin it. To pin, just hit P on your keyboard, so that now we'll be using this data. So let's run this switch node and let's get here so that now you get. So we have captured the text or the message, and we've captured the ID. So next you're going to go to get voice. So I want to record something. Let me run this, and let me head to Telegram. Hey, how are you today? So what this node does, it gets the voice ID where the resource is file and operation is get, then gets the voice ID, then downloads it. Then next, transcription node from OpenAI. Then from there, we are moving to this node where we are capturing the message. We are capturing the message, and then we are capturing the session ID, this one, which is very important. So this is it. From there, we are good to go. We are having a transcription, and we are having the session ID. So now we move the next node. So we're now moving to the OpenAI chat model, which is going to define now the message and also give us the response based on what came from Telegram. So we are getting to this basic LLM where we've attached very simple memory. We've also attached, we are using GPT-4 or Mini. You can use whichever one that you want, but I prefer 4 Mini because it consumes less credit. So from there, you'll see from the prompt, the user message is just simple message from the previous node, this one. So you just drag it, place it here, and this is the message. From that, this is the system message. So just have a look at it. So we've dragged the name. We've dragged the name from Telegram node, and this is the name. Actually, we are using the current time, this one. So this is my current time. From there, we are good to go. So now we move the last node where we'll now receive the message. If we now run the whole workflow, we are supposed to receive the message. And the message is, hey, hello, Victor. I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today? So the Telegram node, what we've configured is for the resource is message, and the operation is send message. From there, we are having our Telegram bot, Telegram assistant set up, and everything is working correctly. This is the complete workflow. If you want this exact workflow file ready to import, it's available inside the Automation Hub School community. It's just $1 to join, and you'll get access to this build and many others. So if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next automation build.